There are surefire ways where you can make a ton of money online. People from all around the world have been making a huge amount of money from platforms that are absolutely for free. And for today's video, I will show you methods that can help you make money online. But before we pierce right through the gist, I would just like to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, so better take all my advice with a pinch of salt and take only what can be applied to you. I do my very best in telling you the latest information in terms of financial management. But if you are experiencing serious problems, that is the time to seek out services by professionals and experts to help you out with what you are facing. Welcome to the Quantum Wealth, where the road to success begins. Before starting with the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and comment below your thoughts for today's video. Now here are the tips for making money online for free. Let's begin. Starting with Mercari app. This app does not require you to have the most wonderful resume out there, the most talented and whatnot. To tell you honestly, I made good use of Mercari. This is surely one of the best platforms that I ever used in terms of selling my old stuff, and not to mention, the overall interface is generally so simple that I bet even an 11-year-old kid can navigate through it. All you have to do is download the app, go to the selling section, and then upload an image of the item you are selling. Once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is to input a short description of your item, and then add a cool heading to captivate the eyes of potential customers. And also, be sure to add some relevant tags so that your item will appear more frequently throughout the whole app. You are also going to add the specifications of your items such as the manufacturer, entire condition, classification, and other information you have to input. And then, the last thing you have to do is to name your price. You have all the freedom in the world to how much you would like to sell your item for. Just be sure that you're well within the scope of how good your product is. You never want to go beyond because that will only lead you to your downfall. Once you do this, there's nothing left for you to do but hit that upload button. And then there you have it. You now have your item up on the app so that the whole world can see it. Coming up next is affiliate marketing. This method is a process in which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. In simple terms, you are promoting other people's businesses and then you earn money. You can pretty much find a lot of affiliate programs on the internet. This requires you to be smart about how you will promote your website to a large audience. But it's a piece of cake if you have a platform that already has a huge amount of people that will click on your link. With that, when you get a company's affiliate link and become an affiliate, you will now be able to earn money quickly. For you to know how much this method pays, it depends on the product you are selling. We say, for example, you will get a 15% income from selling a $200 guitar, which enables you to have $30 from that amount. Third on the list is drop shipping. I have talked about drop shipping in one of my videos before, and for sure drop shipping has been very effective in making money online. This method requires you to sell items, which enables you not to touch any of the items and will only have to order these items from a supplier who will deliver the ordered items directly to the customer. Simply, you are the middleman on this chain. Dropshipping is highly in demand these days. Not only that, it is simple to get into, but also there are a lot of opportunities for dropshipping. Now before we delve deep into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, leave a comment down below and tell me what skill you need to develop so far. There's still more to this video, so stay tuned as we now head on to method number 2, which is freelancing services. Due to technology, it has become evident that having the skill to edit videos, create websites, or any skill that anyone can do on the internet will ultimately be advantageous for you. Worry not if you do not have any of the required skills needed, as many of the videos on YouTube will help you learn these skills. YouTube has a lot of information that will help you. Furthermore, there are several websites where you can find people outsourcing for the type of service they need. On the top of our list is YouTube. YouTube probably is one of the best methods where you can make money online. Just by making content, there are a lot of people out there who went from nothing to something, from rags to riches. YouTube is going to pay you when you meet their criteria for having the required amount of views, which is at 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. The amount of money you will earn from YouTube will increase from time to time when you gain more followers, which will increase the number of hours played. One of the content that is trendy nowadays that is classic is a compilation of funny meme videos. Furthermore, YouTube is not only for fun and content and whatnot, YouTube is also a way to build your brand which you can use to promote your business and affiliates. Now it is time for you to choose which path you want to take. Make 2022 your year and you will be at the top of your game. These platforms will lead you to the life you have been wishing for. So, get in there and do the best you could. The future is all in your hands. That wraps up today's video for the tips on making money online for free. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you like today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next one.